Baba Booey.
Holiday.
Daddy Pig is up bright and early.
I'll just go for a little walk.
Daddy fell in the water.
It's not funny.
It is quite funny, Daddy.
Do I?
You look perfect.
Is everybody ready?
Yes, Daddy Pig.
Then let's go.
This is Gabriella's village.
Here is the shop of my auntie. Can I send a postcard? Who is it for?
A pufferfish. A pufferfish.
Maybe a postcard of the sea. Yes, Goldie the
Pufferfish.
fish likes.
Carrots.
Bongo drums, carpets, garden gnomes. Who buys all this rubbish?
Super Idol，
Fans.
Super Idol 的笑容，
都没你的甜，
8月正午的阳光，
都没你遥远
热爱105度的你，
弟弟青春正流水。
Haven't got room for all this in our suitcase.
Don't worry, Daddy Pig. They sell suitcases too.
This is the village cafe. Ciao, Gabriella.
My uncle makes very good pizza. You eat pizza in Italy? Pizza is Italian food. Oh, goody. I like pizza.
Tomato, a little bit of cheese, into the oven and...
Into
Pizza, pizza, pizza.
yummy.
Peppa loves pizza. Everybody loves pizza.
Did you like that, Teddy?
No, it was.
There will always be a special place for your pizza in my tummy.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Goodbye.
Oh dear. Peppa has left...
What a lovely, relaxing holiday we're having. Oh,
Pockets. He looks around and sees the squad car, but now the officers are there. Guns drawn. He puts his hands up like, what? Wow. Some of those vehicles we saw pull into the parking lot were undercover. And there he is on the
Holiday house.
time for bed.
Can we ring Goldie
Pufferfish.
Me?
Okay.
Granny and Grandpa Pig are looking after...
I do hope we're feeding Goldie enough. Hello?
Hello, Grandpa. Is Goldie all right?
Goldie is fine.
I sent her a postcard today. Has it arrived?
Oh, not yet, but I'm sure it will get here soon.
Night-night, Grandpa.
Night, Peppa.
Peppa and George are fast asleep in their holiday house.